Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A million seconds is 11 days. A billion seconds is 31 years. On August 16, 2013, Google went down for 5 minutes, and in that time, the global internet traffic dropped by 40%. A university student was trying to research ways to help turtles cross roads safely, so he placed a fake turtle in a road to observe driver behavior. In South Korea, there is a well-known superstition that running an electric fan in a room with closed doors and windows can lead to death. A 5,500-year-old shoe found in a cave in Armenia. Penguins have been known to push a fellow penguin into the water to check if the area is safe and free of predators. Gordon Ramsay has chosen not to give his children a large inheritance. The gap between these two pictures is possibly greater than Graham's number. This is how baby elephants drink water. They don't know how to use their trunks to drink until they are 9 months. The movie Interstellar, released around this time of year in 2014, from then till now only 42 minutes and 51 seconds have passed on Miller's planet. A group of undercover Detroit police posing as drug dealers tried to arrest another group of undercover police posing as drug buyers. China used more cement in 3 years than the US used in the entire 20th century. A Malvian teenager who taught himself how to build a windmill out of junk and bring power to his village. In 1965, a 4-year-old nearly drowned at a beach but was rescued by a woman named Alice Blaze. 9 years later, the boy saved a man at the same beach. That man was Alice's husband. While you're talking with someone, use his or her name frequently. A teen injected himself with mercury at least 3 times in an attempt to convert his bones to metal after seeing X-Men Origins. Song lyrics have a stronger impact on the human mind when an individual experiencing sadness. A shark in a fish tank will grow 8 inches, but in the ocean it will grow to 8 feet or more. Little plastic thing at the end of a data cable is called a ferrite bead and is used to block interference from radio signals from other electronics. Watching your favorite movies over and over is good for you. Some migratory birds have a magnetic compass in their body to help them navigate using Earth's magnetic field. We are born afraid of only 2 things: falling and loud noises. The line at McDonald's at the grand opening of the first McDonald's in Moscow, January 31, 1990. An engineer in the 1930s created a rain-making machine, made it rain in several places, and then disappeared without a trace. In early November of 1987, a ghost hunter went to investigate his haunted house. After the investigation, the man had a mental breakdown. A person asked Dr. Kalam, "Sir, what is the most easy and most difficult thing in life?" He replied, "Mistake easy to judge others when do it, difficult to realize it when we do it." Bees are responsible for 70% of the fruit, vegetables, nuts, and seeds we eat on a daily basis. Amazon's logo shows a smile from A to Z in the name to signify that the company is willing to deliver everything to everyone anywhere in the world. Finland celebrates National Sleepyhead Day, where the last person in the house to wake up is thrown into the water by the early risers. After investing $2.83 million and conducting 1,000 test flights, a man from China developed his own manned drone. Between 2025 to 2030, all petrol and diesel cars will be banned in most of the countries. This is a picture of the Queen giving speech about poverty. You can judge a person by noticing how they treat unknown person. In Iraq, in the book market, books remain in the street at night because Iraqi says the reader does not steal and the thief does not read. In 1961, Leonid Rogozov, a Russian doctor, had to remove his own appendix after it burst because he was the only doctor in a remote Soviet research station in Antarctica, and he survived. If you pay attention, you will notice people don't listen, they just wait for their turn to talk. This guy traveled 7,163.7 km to create a GPS drawing to propose to his girlfriend. Engineers with master's degree in oceanic sciences have proven that it's possible for strong enough winds to simultaneously split and drain seawater. If you put cold water into a person's ear, their eyes will move in a direction opposite to that ear. Talk with yourself once in a day, otherwise you may miss meeting an excellent person in the world. There was a Jewish boxer named Salamo Arouch imprisoned at Auschwitz. Does anyone else see things in their dreams and then later on see the exact same thing in real life? Illusion flying ship due to a refraction of light. Thanks for watching.